Yo, what is happening? What is happening? What is happening? It's your boy Ernest Mampana from the FX Traders. Listen, man. In this video, we're going to be looking at the market. We're going to do the forecast. So yeah, man. If you're new to the channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This is what we do on regular basis. Like we check the market as to how we can expect our entries, where to expect them during the week. So yeah, without wasting much time, I don't wanna talk much. Let's just get into it.
Okay, I will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in marble hall is like a movie. I knew it and I did it.
Thank you so much for choosing this video, and if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Now, without wasting much time, here I have EURUSD. We are going to be covering EURUSD, we are going to cover GBPJPY, and we are also going to cover NZDCAD. Now, let us get started with it. On my chart right now, I have EURUSD. Already I did some setup, but I'm going to delete everything just so you can follow. All right, so I will just start by identifying my trend as to where we are going. It's been a very bullish market. Now, as you can see from here, we had a minor move to the downside. So that's what I'm seeing on a daily time frame. Means that we are looking forward to at least hit this level again and then continue going down if we are continuing going down. But if we not continuing going down, then I'm going to consider the fact that I have this mark right here, or I have this zone right here. Let me just do a zone. I have a zone somewhere at this area, which can then confirm that this is a very sensitive zone. So we might look for possibilities to continue to the upside like that. Remember, we are on a daily time frame, so it might take some while before it can get to that point where we are targeting. So here I am on a 4-hour time frame, and again I'm going to identify some more possibilities on it inside right here. I had that, and I can confirm that I have this also. So we have this move here inside, and currently we are outside. We just broke, came back for a retest somewhere around this area, and now we'll continue going up. Let me delete this one right here, zoom out the charts so they be visible. So we just had a retest around these areas like this, and we continue going up. I remember sending this type of a signal to my Telegram group, and if you are not on the Telegram group, again, be sure you join the Telegram group. The link is in the description as always. So here we have this, and I can confirm that this has been creating some sort of an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, so we're simply going to wait to see exactly what is going to happen. Is it going to follow this inverse head and shoulder or not? Currently the market is at this point where I would say it's some sort of a zone or a very sensitive zone. Now we are going to look exactly what is going to happen. My anticipation is that we might come back down. Let me just zoom out again. We might come back down at these areas right here to test, and then we can continue going up. We might come to retest at this area right there. So it might be like this. We come down here and then now continue going up. Overall, we are still looking for more possibilities to the upside. However, at this point, I feel like we are at the point where we can expect a retest. Here I am on an hour time frame, and I really don't want to mess up my charts with multiple drawings and all of that, because already in mind I know exactly what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a retest, and after a retest, that's when I can be comfortable enough to continue going to the upside. So I'll just leave it like that. Of course, if I were to add some more drawings, I would have this channel to the upside right there that I am following, but I don't want to mess up this, so I'll just make sure that I remove them so that my chart looks clean like that. Going to leave it on a 4-hour time frame, have a screenshot and send it to the Telegram group that we are now waiting for a retest, and once that the retest is done, then we can now continue to the upside. I'm already in. I entered in here by Friday. I normally don't trade on Friday, but yeah, this one right here was tempting and I went in. So yeah, we are currently in profit, minor profits though, and we're waiting to see if the market will reach this place right here. And once the market reaches this place right here, then that's when we will go in again with our buys. We've been in this position ever since this area right here, and we keep on scaling up until we complete this channel right here that we saw on a daily time frame. So this is what we are looking forward to on a Euro USD. Now let us look at a different pair. On the screen right now I have GBPJPY, and again I'm going to delete and redraw everything that is here. So I'll just start here. If you are in my group, or if you've been with me for a very long time, you will understand why I'm starting on a daily time frame and now scaling to a smaller time frame. Just want to get all the possibilities, everything that we can come across, so that we are on the right track, right? So mostly I will start on a daily time frame to identify my trend, and I would just switch to a smaller time frame to identify my zones, and also I will switch to a very smaller time frame again if you are on my private groups, so that we can identify the entries, right? But yeah, so this is what I have. I have a channel to the upside. So when it gets here, I can see that the market now, it's kind of like giving me something like this, of which it's a good thing that now we can see this channel. We are trending within this channel right here. It came here, down here, it bounced and then went up, which gave us some sort of a double bottom inside a channel. And this is what we focus on mostly in my private group, that we need to have this type of reversals inside the channel before we can take some action. So we had that double bottom inside this channel, so we are waiting to see if the market will get to this point right here. And once the market get to this point right here, that's when we're going to reanalyze to see if we can continue going up or we can now go down again with the market. So this is what we have on a daily time frame. Now let us switch to a smaller time frame. We then came to a 4-hour time frame, and on a 4-hour time frame again, just like Euro USD, we are spotting another inverse head and shoulder. So we can expect more moves to the upside like that. This is the inverse head and shoulder that we are seeing. So let us just see where to enter and when to get out. Let me delete this one right here so it won't confuse us. Going to mark this one right here, of which is our shoulder level, and this one right here is our neck level right here, so don't get confused. Currently the market is currently right here. I'm not trying to come here back here to retest at these shoulders again. We don't know, we will see once the market opens, but my anticipation is that either the market goes down to retest at these shoulders, we are still continuing with the move to the upside. But should the market not go down, then we will continue with the move to the upside. However, I don't think that the market will just continue to the upside like that. We just need some sort of a retest or some sort of a pullback before we can continue with our move to the upside. So let us switch to a smaller time frame to see if we can get something that will indicate the direction. So here I am on an hour time frame, and I can draw this. I can then come to put this one right here again. Now with this one right here, we now know that my setup, it's almost complete. Just need to do some few touch-ups. Now we can be sure that, okay, if the market reject at these areas, then we can continue with our move to the upside. Now it's been confirmed, we can continue with our move to the upside. The aim is to target at that area, although it can still go like this. It can still go, come back around these areas, go up again, come back down, go up again, but we are still targeting at these areas right there. We are looking at the bigger picture. So currently we have this type of a structure, and we are going to wait to see if the market can give us a confirmation to the upside. If it doesn't give us a confirmation right here, we are going to wait up until it gets here, and even if it breaks here, we still have to wait up until it gets at this area. So from this shoulder level, that's when we can now say, okay, we are fully going up. And should it not go up, then obviously everything, it's been invalidated. Now we're going to look for another possibilities. Now that's what I see on GBPJPY. Now let us look at the last pair, of which is NZDCAD. On the screen right now I have NZDCAD, and I'll try to be quick on this one right here. Of course, already I have my analysis. One thing I do is that I do not delete my analysis, because the analysis that I had last week can still be valid even this week. That is why I'm not deleting anything, just to continue with the moves. So as you can see right here, I had a channel to the upside. I'm not going to delete this one, but I'm going to explain exactly why I have this analysis right here. So I have a channel to the upside. As you can see, we have our touch here, we have our touch here, and we have a breakout here, retest, and then it went down, came back to retest again on this point right here. It's kind of like giving us a consolidation. So we are waiting to see if we will break to the downside, but the anticipation is that we need to look for more possibilities to the downside. So anyway, that's what we had here, and we had our touch here, a touch here, and a touch here, just so you don't get lost. So yeah, we've been inside and we broke, came down here, we broke, retest. Now that's where we are right now. We are kind of like consolidating, but we will just see exactly what would happen. From where I'm standing, I can identify this zone right here at the most sensitive zone right here. So we'll be looking for some more possibilities when we hit this zone right here. Currently we are inside the zone, the price is inside the zone, and I am looking to see if the market will get out of this zone before I can take my selling opportunities. I am aiming to go down because we just broke out of this main channel right here, and we have this consolidation right here. Once the consolidation is done, then I'm anticipating my moves to the downside. Thank you so much for staying up until this very end. I really appreciate people like you. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I will see you on the next one. My name is Ernest Mampana. Be sure you catch me on the socials. The link is in the description as always. I'll see you on the next one.